Hello guys, sorry for the interruption, okay? Let's go on then with the let's repeat part. So, there are many surprisingly useful things in that cupboard. During the hurricane, people stayed inside. The sunsets are at 10 p.m. in summer in the UK. I love all food except for Chinese food. He set the table last Sunday for his mother. That cell phone is useless. Suddenly, the girl started to run. The sun rose at 5:30 a.m. in my city this morning. Very nice people. So, let's go to the let's practice, okay? I will make the question and I will answer the question, okay? If you want to repeat to yourselves, you can pause the video before I start answering and then you can hear the answer. Cool? So, let's start. Do you think that studying Latin is a useless activity? No, I don't think that studying Latin is a useless activity. Where in the world do people speak Latin? There aren't any countries where people speak Latin, but there are many professors at universities that study it. What time did the sun set yesterday in your city? The sun set at 6:30 yesterday in my city. What do you think is the most useful language to learn? I think English is the most useful language to learn. The average 4-year-old surprisingly asks 400 questions a day. Why do you think they do this? I think they do this because they are very curious and everything is very new to them. Do you love all animals? Yes, I love all animals except for spiders maybe. What did Mr. Shepherd do at the weekend? Mr. Shepherd went up a mountain to watch the sunset with Miss Gray. Tell me a surprisingly interesting fact about you. A surprisingly interesting fact about me is that I hate brigadeiros. Not true, people. I'm just making it up. Do you set the table before you eat in your house? Yes, I set the table before I eat in my house. What type of weather can suddenly happen in your city? A storm can suddenly happen in my city. Does Livia like all sports? Yes, Livia likes all sports except for basketball. What do the students do during the lesson? The students study and learn English during the lesson. Is mathematics a useless subject? No, mathematics isn't a useless subject, but it's a useful subject. Are there many useful expressions in English for informal situations? Yes, there are many useful expressions in English for informal situations. Do you think that watching the sunset is a useless activity? No, I don't think that watching the sunset is a useless activity. Does your school offer a Latin course? No, my school doesn't offer a Latin course. Did you watch all the Harry Potter movies when you were younger? Yes, I watched all the Harry Potter movies when I was younger, except for Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. I didn't watch that one. Did she do well in the exam? Yes, she got a surprising mark of 99%. Very good. What do people do when suddenly there is no electricity during the lesson? When suddenly there is no electricity during the lesson, people normally go on with the lesson because here in this school we have natural light. Am I right, guys? So, page 57, new content. Nowadays, a suburb, heaven, hell, religious, to believe, an atheist, an angel, a Christian, religion, to show, showed, shown, the media, the devil, a demon, God. Okay, guys, the word nowadays means at the present time, now, at this time, in these times, okay, nowadays. A suburb, people, is a residential area of a city, a residential part of a city. Heaven and hell are opposites. Well, people, heaven is the sky, but not literally the sky, but heaven is where people believe good people go after they die. Okay, so good people go to heaven after they die, and bad people go to hell after they die. So, religious is an adjective for people who always go to church or people who study the Bible. Okay, they are religious. To believe people is to accept something to be true or to think or to suppose. Okay? An atheist is a person that doesn't believe in God. An angel, very similar to Portuguese. Okay? Christian, similar to Portuguese too. A Christian people, see that it has a capital letter, is a person that is a religious person, okay? And they believe in Jesus Christ, okay? A Christian. Religion, just like Portuguese. The verb to show, you know, it's only here because it's an irregular verb. The media is everything related to information. For example, TV, internet, newspapers, magazines, they are all different medias. Okay? The devil. The devil is the Lord of hell. Okay? The devil is Lucifer. A demon. A demon is just like Portuguese. Okay? They are the helpers of the devil. And God is the creator of everything. He is the creator of the universe. Okay? He's the supreme being. Okay? So, many religions have different gods. Cool? Very good. So, let's repeat. Nowadays, there are many people who are atheists. In my city, there are many suburbs that have a church. Some people believe that the devil lives in hell. The opposite of heaven is hell. The media show many programs about religions around the world. Religion is a part of different societies in every corner of our planet. So, let's practice now, people. Who lives in hell? The devil and demons live in hell. What is the opposite of heaven? The opposite of heaven is hell. Do you have any religious soap operas in your country? Yes, I have some religious soap operas in my country. Is religion part of most societies in the world? Yes, religion is part of most societies in the world. Where does the devil live? The devil lives in hell. Have you got any demons in your life? No, I haven't got any demons in my life. Are there angels in hell? No, there aren't angels in hell, but there are angels in heaven. Do atheist people believe in God? No, atheist people don't believe in God. Are there many suburbs in your city? Yes, there are many suburbs in my city. What did Mr. Jones show to his brother yesterday? Mr. Jones showed his new car to his brother yesterday. What am I showing to you? You are showing your pen to me. What is the country that has the highest number of atheists in the world? China is the country that has the highest number of atheists in the world. Who is Lucifer? Lucifer is a demon, but he was an angel before. Is Brazil one of the countries with the highest number of Christians in the world nowadays? Yes, Brazil is one of the countries with the highest number of Christians in the world nowadays. Are there any angels in the classroom? No, there aren't any angels in the classroom. You are all at home, my little angels. Do many people believe in heaven and hell nowadays? Yes, many people believe in heaven and hell nowadays. Is your family religious? No, my family isn't religious. Okay, guys, we are done with the 2 new contents of today. We have dictation 5, which I will record in a separate video, so it's easier for you to follow the dictation, okay? So, see you in a few moments. Bye-bye.